Coo the mischievous monkey, Coo the mischievous monkey, Coo the mischievous monkey, Coo the mischievous monkey.
Title: Coo the Mischievous Monkey. Once upon a time, in a peaceful little village nestled amidst lush green fields, there lived a mischievous monkey named Coo. Coo was no ordinary monkey. He had a knack for creating chaos wherever he went. He swung from trees, snatched delicious fruits, and caused a ruckus among the villagers. At first, the villagers found Coo's antics amusing. But as days turned into weeks, Coo's pranks became more destructive. He started to sneak into the village and wreak havoc by jumping on roofs, knocking down pots, and even tossing vegetables from the market stalls. The villagers grew tired and disturbed by the constant damage caused by Coo. Word spread quickly about the troublesome monkey, and the villagers decided it was time to take action. Different people from the village devised various plans to catch Coo, but none of them were successful. Coo was too quick and clever, always slipping away just when they thought they had him cornered. Among the villagers was a wise farmer named Mr. Johnson. He had 3 sons and a loving wife who supported him in all his endeavors. The villagers approached Mr. Johnson, hoping he would come up with a solution to catch Coo. Deep in thought, Mr. Johnson devised a plan. He gathered his 3 sons, Tom, Jack, and Henry, and shared his idea with them. Each of the sons had unique skills that would be helpful in catching the naughty monkey. The next morning, Mr. Johnson and his family set their plan into motion. Tom, the eldest son, was a skilled climber, so he climbed to the tallest tree in the village to keep an eye out for Coo. Jack, the middle son, was quick and agile, so he positioned himself near the village entrance to block any escape route for Coo. Henry, the youngest son, was clever and knew a lot about monkeys. He carried a basket of Coo's favorite fruits as bait. As the day went on, Coo arrived in the village, unaware of the trap that awaited him. He leaped from rooftop to rooftop, causing chaos as usual. But this time, the villagers were ready. Tom signaled to his brothers as soon as he spotted Coo, and they sprang into action. Jack swiftly blocked Coo's path, not allowing him to escape. Meanwhile, Henry strategically placed the basket of fruits near Coo, enticing him with his favorite treats. Coo's eyes gleamed with excitement as he approached the basket, not suspecting a thing. As soon as Coo reached for the fruits, Mr. Johnson, with his quick reflexes, tossed a net over him. Caught by surprise, Coo struggled to break free but found himself trapped. The villagers cheered, relieved that their days of destruction were finally over. With Coo captured, Mr. Johnson decided to take him to a nearby jungle, where he would be safe and free to live among his fellow monkeys. The villagers bid farewell to Coo, grateful that their homes and peace would be restored. From that day forward, the village thrived with happiness and laughter. The villagers learned the importance of working together, using their unique skills, and solving problems peacefully. And every now and then, they would share stories about the mischievous monkey Coo, teaching the younger generation valuable lessons about unity and understanding. And so, with a happy ending, the villagers nestled into their beds, knowing that their village was once again peaceful and safe from Coo's antics. They fell asleep with dreams of new adventures, ready to face whatever challenges the next day would bring.